We are a company moved by passion, globally and locally. Passion is our drive. Passion for teamwork. Passion for providing a great experience to our customers. Passion for delivery and excellence. Passion for knowledge, sharing, and training. Passion for making things easier. Passion for your business. Passion for inspiration, innovation, and motivation. Passion for performance. And above all, passion for people, commitment to excellence. This is a place where we believe in people, where teamwork wins. This is a place where we work for people. That's how we put commitment into practice. This is the company that inspires to learn, to teach, to grow, to get things done. This is the company that motivates, being happy to make a difference. This is the real thing. Your business is our business. Together, we build the best partnership to perform. We have the knowledge and resources to deliver outstanding customer experience all over the world. This is TelePerformance.